Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Rome, Italy, and the termination of this flight. For your continued safety and comfort, we do ask that you please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. Once the jet is properly parked in front of the gate and the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off, it will be your indication that it's safe for you to stand and collect all your personal belongings. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments for any items that might be shifted during this flight, and please close them securely. If you need any assistance here with connections or information, please check with the Delta representatives outside in the gate area. On behalf of the entire crew, we'd like to say it's been a pleasure having you on board. We hope you enjoyed your flight. We do appreciate your business, and we hope the next time your plans call for air travel, you'll once again choose Delta. Thank you and good morning.
Signore e signori del Delta, darvi il benvenuto a Roma.